Okay, do whatever you want with your hair, but if you have some insecurity regarding your natural hair, and instead of doing the work you could be doing to love and accept who you are just hiding your hair like it does not exist. You not only are hiding who you really are, but you are creating or using a distraction not to address the main issue. Okay, yes, I know your hair is yours and it's your choice. But let's not pretend that a lot of times when we use wigs or other things instead of our own hair, it is really because we want to protect our hair. Most of the time, it is because we think that our hair is not competent enough. We think that our hair is too much, too difficult, too different, not beautiful, or even not suited for important events. So you feel more confident wearing wigs, for example. But do you also feel confident wearing your own hair? If not, why is that? Do you know why? And are you being honest with yourself? Do you understand, or are you prepared to understand that there is probably something so much deeper that is going on? Because we all have our insecurities. You have yours, and I have mine. But we are also seeing people doing the work necessary to work on their insecurities, to do the work they need to do on the inside to be a better version of themselves. They may still decide to change some physical aspects in themselves, but they primarily work to educate themselves better to change or correct their mindset because they do not want only to show up a certain way and neglect the part that people do not see. On the other hand, there are people who feel a certain way. They are insecure maybe about their skin or maybe about their hair, and instead of educating themselves to understand where this insecurity is coming from and search for tools to help them to have self-acceptance, they just forget about their internal world and just go straight to change their appearances. But let's be real. In this case, you may be thinking that you have an unshakable confidence, but is it really? You see, I think it would be so much better having women of color, having black women, being comfortable and confident without their natural hair, but especially with their natural hair. And the thing is, when you have insecurities and you just choose a quick fix, it will not solve the problem because it is just a distraction. And what is a distraction? It is something that distracts, an object that directs one's attention away from something else. It is true that not all distractions are bad or harmful, but when you constantly distract yourself to avoid addressing something that is going on inside of you, the problem will just get worse. The problem will become bigger with time. For example, if you think that your hair is a problem today, but you just ignore it and you decide to distract yourself with, in your opinion, better options, as the years go by, your hair will only become a bigger problem for you. And it will be more difficult for you to embrace and accept your own natural hair. And I see this with so many people. I am so thankful that I started to accept my hair as soon as possible, even if I was very young. Because today it is so much easier for me to accept my hair, to love and accept my own hair. Because of that, I was able to help my hair flourish. But if you decide to work to heal the relationship you have with your hair, even if it is taking you some time to do so, at the end, you will win and you will become happier. But ladies, let me know in the comments what you think. What is your point of view about the subject? Let me know and we can continue the conversation there. Remember that your natural hair is amazing. Stay positive about your hair. Okay? And I will see you in the next one. Bye.